Granite is light in color, feels rough and irregular fractured. It is massive in structure. The granite sample is holocrystalline, phaneric, medium to coarse grained, inequigranular, porphyritic in texture. This granite rock is composed of minerals like quartz, alkali feldspar, mica and dark colored minerals, where quartz can be identified by its colorless appearance, vitreous luster and absence of cleavage. Alkali feldspar can be identified by its splashy to white color, vitreous luster, presence of cleavage, and mica can be identified by its colorless appearance, pearly luster, flaky nature and presence of cleavage. There are dark color minerals which cannot be individually identified. This granite rock sample has about 20% quartz, 60% alkali feldspar, about 5% mica and 15% dark colored minerals. The observation, particularly light color, appearance, holocrystalline texture and mineral composition like quartz about 20%, suggests that this sample is granite, which is an intrusive acidic igneous rock. In our previous video, we studied this rock under the microscope using thin sections. If you want to check out the optical properties, make sure to watch the microscope video. I will give the link in description or in comment section. That's all for today. See you in our next video.